Hello friends, welcome to EC Praveen YouTube channel. In this video, I would like to discuss about the latest employment notification from NTPC Limited. The NTPC Limited recently announced the notification for recruitment of engineering executive trainees through GATE 2021. NTPC Limited is India's largest integrated energy company with an installed capacity of 65,810 megawatts. And the NTPC is looking for promising, dedicated, and energetic young graduates with brilliant academic records to join the organization. For engineering executive trainees in disciplines of electrical, mechanical, and electronics and instrumentation are required. And the qualification is full-time bachelor's degree in engineering or technology or AMIE with not less than 65% marks as per respective institute or university norms. And also final year semesters students are also eligible to apply for this post. And a candidate with the prescribed degree identified for the disciplines as given below can apply for the post of executive engineering trainee in the respective discipline. For electrical engineering, prescribed full-time degrees in engineering are electrical or electrical and electronics, instrumentation and control, or power systems and high voltage, power electronics or power engineering. And in mechanical engineering, mechanical, production, industrial engineering, production and industrial engineering, thermal, mechanical and automation, power engineering. And in electronics engineering, electronics, electronics and telecommunication, electronics and power, power electronics, electronics and communication engineering, and electrical and electronics. And for instrumentation engineering, electronics and instrumentation, instrumentation and control, electronics, instrumentation and control. And there will be an age limit of 27 years as on the last date of online application. Coming to the selection process, eligible candidates must have appeared for GATE 2021. Candidates shall be shortlisted for document verification based on GATE 2021 performance. Please note, only GATE marks of 2021 are valid for engineering executive training 2021 recruitment. And coming to the vacancies, the vacancies in electrical there are total 98 vacancies, and in mechanical 126, in electronics and instrumentation there are 56. They are categorized into different categories. Please go through it. And the pay scale will be 40,000 to 1,40,000. Coming to the placement, the selected candidate shall undergo 1 year training at various NTPC plants. The final place of posting will be decided after completion of training. Candidates can be placed in any of the projects or stations, including subsidiaries, JVs, companies of NTPC across the country for shift operations of power plants, and will be required to work in shifts. Applications for the post will be considered as the consist of candidates to work in shifts, and the reservation and elections are done as per the government rules. And coming to the service bond, the selected candidates who belongs to general, EWS and OBC candidates will be required to execute a service bond of 5 lakhs rupees. For a candidate belongs to SC, ST, person with disability categories, they are 2,50,000 to serve the company for at least 3 years after successful completion of 1 year training. And coming to how to apply for this post, candidates need to apply for NTPC Engineering Executive Trainee 2021 on the website of www.ntpccareers.net or visit career section at NTPC www.ntpc.co.in with their GATE 2021 registration number. And also candidate will be required to upload their photograph and signature during online application. And also candidate must read the instruction carefully and fill the online application form giving accurate information including the GATE 2021 registration number. After successful registration, system will generate a unique registration number. Candidates are required to keep the printout of the registration slip, which will be generated by the system after successful registration. And the candidates belongs to general, EWS and OBC categories are required to pay a non-refundable registration fee of 300 rupees. The payment can be made either in online or offline mode. And for SC, ST and person with disability candidates and also female candidates are not required to pay the registration fee. And these are the general restrictions. Please go through it. And the last date to apply for this post is 10th June 2021. I hope this video will help you. If you have any doubts, please comment below. And for more job updates, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.